You want to know just how fast your site needs to be. And one way to get an estimate of how fast your site needs to be would be to measure the page load times and the time to first byte of the top 10 sites in your niche. So, let's measure the performance of the top 10 sites in the mattress niche. Let's use webpagetest.org for these measurements since it reports load time, page size, and the time to first byte. Let's search google.com for mattress. Let's see the performance of this site ranking at the number 1 position. Let's tabulate all of this data in this worksheet. Let me pause the video while I measure and tabulate the performances of all of the top 10 websites. All the tests are complete and here are the results. You would want to note that these are all massive authority sites and some of them are Fortune 500 companies. And this is too small a sample size, but still we can learn a few things from this data. It is apparent that the time to first byte might be more important than page load time. None of these pages load in less than 2 seconds, but except for only 2 results, the rest of the pages have a time to first byte less than 0.5 seconds. So, for our site, we can set a target. Time to first byte needs to be less than 0.5 seconds. And all of these pages are more than 1 MB in size. Not very surprising since all of these sites use lots of images. But as we have already discussed, it's not just for better rankings alone that we are trying to improve site speed. It's also for conversions. Your pages need to load very fast or else your visitors will go to another site. If you want to keep your visitors engaged, your time to first byte needs to be very low and the page load time should be less than 2 seconds. In addition to this, you also want to know what the numbers are for the top affiliate sites in your niche. With your Amazon affiliate site, you aren't targeting a keyword like mattress. You are targeting words like best mattress reviews and the like. So, I measured the performance scores of the top 10 sites for the phrase best mattress reviews, and here are the results. This is perhaps a much more representative sample than the earlier one. Except for one site, none of these have a time to first byte of more than 0.3 seconds. And several of these are Amazon affiliate sites. And many of these have a page size less than 1 MB. And none of these have a page load time less than 2 seconds. So, a better target for time to first byte would be 0.3 seconds. The problem with shared hosting is that it's almost impossible to consistently have the time to first byte less than 0.3 seconds. It really depends on the server load at the time of the test and whether the page is currently in the server's cache memory. For instance, if we test our site right now, the load time is more than 5 seconds, almost 6 seconds, and the time to first byte is 0.226 seconds. This really depends on the load on the server at the time of the test. If the server is experiencing very heavy loads, these numbers may all change. The only way to get the time to first byte less than 0.3 seconds consistently would be to move the site to either cloud hosting or to a VPS.